of all, a very happy 23rd Foundation Day of College of Fisheries under Central Agricultural University, Lembuchera to all of you. College of Fisheries Lembuchera Alumni Association, shortly known as COFLA, is not only an association but it's an emotion, and the root, by which we all are connected. Without this college, we the member will not have achieved what we have done to date. We will be always indebted to our temple from where we created the history of our own lives. Today we get our livelihood from the knowledge and skills we learned from this institute with the help of our beloved teachers and the staff of this college. The journey of COFLA was started from the day the first batch of students completed the graduation, i.e., in the year 2002, and we all are taking forward the legacy. Formally, the COFLA was established in the year 2012 and received its registration under Society Registration Act, 1960 in the year 2016. COFLA has more than 250 registered members and still counting. Our responsibility towards our alma mater as well as society is not hidden to anyone. We are focused on our goals and we are proud of that. On time-to-time basis, we keep on contacting various bureaucrat and policymakers for recruiting our passed-out students to various departments, positions of various states. We are also working closely with many other students' association of the agricultural and allied fields. Our association is very strong and well connected to each other. Our association is just in the phase of its infancy, but its activities were being appreciated by many. Till now we have donated more than 5 lakh of rupees for various alumni members, students, and staff during the challenging moments of their life. We have organized various workshops for the farmers to do scientific fish farming. During the tough time of the COVID pandemic, COFLA was always with the people of the society and have participated many times in distributing rations and masks for the needy. COFLA arranges special lecture sessions for the ongoing students on a time-to-time basis. Our alumni members are distributed all over the country as well as continents. Today, on this auspicious day of the 23rd Foundation Day of College of Fisheries under Central Agricultural University Lembuchera, some of the members have sent their video messages for the juniors, faculty, and staff, and I would like to present them to you all.
Very good morning to everyone. I am Dr. Dibakar Phoksa, presently posted in ICSCP Barakpur. And on behalf of my all colleague scientists, those who have been passed out from the College of Fisheries Lembuchera, wishing everyone a very happy 23rd Foundation Day. As I have mentioned that I am the first batch students of College of Fisheries Lembuchera and passed out in the year 2002. I did my master degree from Tuticorin under Tanubas and PhD from West Bengal University of Environment and Fisheries Science. I have been working in CIFRI for the last 9 years and I am associated with College of Fisheries Lembuchera Alumni Association since 2020, and I am very much honored and privileged that today through virtual mode I am celebrating our Foundation Day. So now I want to introduce my colleague friend Dr. Somada Sarkar. Please.
Namaskar, Shobaike Namaskar. My name is Somada Sarkar and I did my PG and PhD from Central Institute of Fisheries Education, Mumbai. Soon after that, I have been posted in CIFRI Barakpur, and I am continuing here. And I am the 4th batch of the our CAU University. Yeah. So next, I will go to my colleague, Dr. Rahul.
Hello, friend. My name is Rahul Das. I'm the 4th batch of College of Fisheries Lembuchera in 2001 to 2005. I did my Masters from College of Fisheries, Mangalore. Then I'm presently working as a scientist at CIFRI Barakpur. And also I'm pursuing my PhD, in-service PhD from CIFI Mumbai. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Lianhuam Loya. I'm from 7th batch 2004 to 2008. Presently I'm working in ICR CIFRI Barakpur. I did my MFSC and PhD from CIFI Mumbai, and I would like to wish a very happy 23rd Foundation Day of College of Fisheries Lembuchera. Thank you so much.
Good morning everyone. My name is Vikas Kumar. I am the 9th batch of College of Fisheries, 2006 and 10 batch. I did my master from CIP Mumbai, and then afterwards I did my PhD from Ghent University, Belgium. Currently now I'm working as a scientist in CIFRI Barakpur. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I'm Shubhra Roy. I did my Masters from CIP Mumbai and PhD from Ghent University, Belgium. I'm working in ICF CIFRI Barakpur since 2014 and wish you all a very happy 23rd Foundation Day. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Tasu Tayung and I am from Arunachal and my batch is 2007 to 11 and presently I am working as a scientist in ICR CIFRI and since 2016. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I belong to 2009-13 batch of College of Fishery, BFSC batch. Currently now I am posted in CIFRI Barakpur headquarter. I did my master and PhD from CIFE Mumbai and wish you everyone a very happy 23rd Foundation of College of Fishery, Lembuchera. Thank you.
Lastly, as the president of KOFLA, I want to say long live KOFLA, long live College of Fisheries, Lembuchera. Jai Hind.
Hi, this is Vishwajit, second best student of College of Fisheries, 1999-2003 base. I am fisheries specialist and acting head of Krishi Vigyan Kendra South Tripura. Please visit us and whenever you require any kind of help, please contact me. All the best for your future. Thank you.
Greetings everyone. This is Tapas from BFSC 2000-2004 batch of our auspicious college. And on this day, I would like to share only one thought, that because of this college only and the education given by our great teachers, I am here today and working as an assistant professor in Kyushu University, and we are really trying our best to hoist the flags or make our institute's reputations as high as possible. So please join hands, my dear students, to do the same. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hello, Namaskar everybody. Myself Mrs. Kauveri Nath, 4th batch, now serving the nation as scientist in aquaculture in the ICER system. Namaskar.
Hello everyone, myself Arpit Acharya and I am from Odisha. I am from the batch 2018-20 of College of Fisheries, CAU Lembuchera, Tripura. I did my masters in the subject aquatic animal health and presently I am a PhD research scholar at ICR CIFE Mumbai, and I wish all the best and success towards celebrating the 23rd Foundation Day of College of Fisheries, CAU Lembuchera, Tripura. Thank you very much.
Hi friends, I am Shivashish Das from 4th batch of College of Fisheries and I have passed out in 2005. Presently I am working with IDBI Bank as AGM and I am very happy to know this program. 23rd Foundation is very important, and on this occasion I would like to extend my good wishes to all of you, and to be part of this program I also would like to take this opportunity to thank the organizers and also our Dean and Professor Dr. R.K. Shah sir. Thank you very much.
Good evening. I am Aviv Shade, currently pursuing my PhD at University of South Bohemia, Czech Republic. I am an alumni of COF-CAU of BFSA 2014-18 batch. At the very outset, I want to thank all the teachers and staffs of COF-CAU to build us in a way that today we feel proud to be an alumni of the university. And my thanks to KOFLA for giving us this opportunity to pay homage to our rooted place. I wish COF-CAU a very happy 23rd Foundation Day and my wishes for the hefty growth of the university. And I also wish that the coming generation of students will bloom more and keep on feeling proud about being the part of this university. Thank you.